My husband was an alcoholic way before when we married. He was very good at hiding it. We've been married for 15 years. I have a growing hate inside of me. He has ruined every special occasion, our social life, you name it. When I look at him, I burn with anger because I took him back after 13 months of separation. He promised he'd change. I feel so stupid. I know this is not a healthy way for a family to live. If it were not for our children, I'd be long gone. What can I do?
Well, been there, done that. Know how she feels, you know.
Oh, you do? And how come is that?
Been there, done that. Look at it like Invasion of the Body Snatchers. You know that movie, Invasion of the Body Snatchers? Look at like the alcoholism is the body snatcher. And it has gone into his body. And even though it's him, it looks like him, and it sounds like him, and all that, the alcoholism has snatched his mind and body. And so everything he says and does, you need to remember, it's the alcoholism. Promises when they're not drinking, they're not going to keep them. You know that they're not going to keep it because there's something else in there. It's the alcoholism.
Such a good way to put it.
Yeah. So what's the point of getting someone to make promises to you knowing this? But especially when they're drinking, anything they say or do needs to be viewed by the other person that loves them, that lives with them, as that's the alcoholism that's doing that. Now, when you're telling yourself it's the alcoholism and it wants to survive, key point, it wants to survive, because remember, the invasion of the body snatchers, why are they snatching up bodies? Because they want to survive. The being has to survive by taking over the body. So alcoholism wants to survive by taking over the mind and body of the host. You see, knowing this information, you can now be a wiser person, a detaching person, a person that has love, but now you know that you're a person that doesn't need to get the alcoholic to make you promises.